Hey babes, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome to my channel where I do lots of girly and pink videos and DIYs and fashion stuff. This has been kind of a little bit of a requested video. I've gotten some requests for it, but the main reason I'm doing this video today is my last room and closet tour has been getting a lot of views and it's kind of outdated. So I wanted to do an updated version for you guys because I've been doing a lot of closet reorganization. I'm still working on it, like it's just a forever process, but I feel like it's at a fairly good place right now. And I also am trying to decide right now if I want to paint my pink walls in my room a light gray. So I'm going to show you guys my room in just a few seconds and help me decide whether I should paint it or leave it all pink. The pink is kind of like iconic me, but I feel like it doesn't go with my new comforter as well. And then the gray would be like really mature and nice. But the pink looks so good in the background of my outfit photos, and I feel like it's just very me. And so again, I did say it's also a closet tour as well as a room tour. So we are going to be leaving my room because I have some of my clothes, aka closet, outside of my room and in the extra room. Yes, I have overflowed, it's bad. But whenever I move out, I'm definitely going to try and fit it all into one space, one big closet. But yeah, we're gonna be moving out of the room at one point. But first, let me just show you my room. All right, let's get started. Here is my outfit of the day. I'm wearing white jeans and a pink shirt to match my room. And then we're gonna start at the door, because this is where you enter my room. And then this is what you see when you first walk in. I have my little chandelier, which I've had forever. And then my new comforter and bedding I just got. And then over here I have my pink heel display. And then I also have my bow Uggs and my new favorite boots. Then we get to say hello again. And then over here is kind of my office and workstation area. With my chair. I got this from HomeGoods and I'm absolutely in love with this chair. Like, I don't think I'll ever have a different office chair. And then I also put my little DIY Chanel pillow on there. This is my oh so fancy pretty computer that I love. And some accessories here. And then I have rose gold Beats. If you haven't already guessed it, those are my headphones. They have to be pink to match my iPhone. And speaking of, here's my phone. And then I have like my custom pencils and then some cute like little Chanel books and my planners right there. And then we are back to the shoes. So in the drawers down here, we're gonna kind of start the closet tour a little bit here. These are all my jammies and they're very, very pink. As you can tell, I have a lot of jammies from Victoria's Secret because I worked there for a while. And then down here, I have my sweatpants. So more cozy kind of things like that. And then I have my armoire right here, which is clearly filled with clothes, which I'll show you in just a second. But I also have my little display up here with my sparkly shoes and my Chanel Deer handbag. I just love this bag, so it's on display. This one up here is from a place called Luxe to Kill, and it's just a look-alike, but it looks super cute up there with it. And then in here, I'll just go ahead and show you now, are all of my sweaters and knits, and as you can tell I might need to migrate these soon because they are getting so full and they're like bursting out of this closet. But it was a great idea whenever I had it, but as you can tell this like is bending now, so I need to figure something else out soon. But it's really good if maybe I could get rid of a few of them. In here I have all of my bras. I have kind of nudes, whites, and miscellaneous, pink, and then all my black ones. And then in here, I have all my panties and socks. And then at the bottom, I have all my bralettes. And then over here, I have my Michael Kors bags that I use on a daily. This one is my favorite with the little pink foof on it. And then I have all my slides, as well as my Ted Baker tote bag, which just kind of sits here. And then since we're over here, I'll show you my little jewelry section. And then on the side of my wardrobe here, I have this super cute plush pink bag. Okay, we're getting to the closet in just a second, but I have to finish the main part in here. So underneath my bed, Yes, I am very resourceful and find every place to store clothes. Underneath my bed in the first drawer, I have all my sports bras. And then over to the right, I have my leggings, so it's like all my sports stuff. And if you could tell, I kind of have things like grouped, so I have like lingerie, underwear, socks, sports stuff, and then like lounge pajama stuff. And then in here are my pink and miscellaneous color leggings. I have a lot of these. And then here are my gray, white, and black leggings. And then isn't my new comforter so cute? It's so like girly and ruffly and like shabby chic. I love it. Also, give me an opinion on this wall color. I need to know if I should paint it or leave it. I don't know. Okay, now we are going to move on to my closet, which is right in here. I have this right here hung up on the back of my door from Opali. It's just like my favorite dress and jacket, and it's just kind of always been like this, and I really think it's pretty, so I just left it on the back of my door. And then entering my closet, this is going to be hard to get all in one shot, but I have all of my tank tops down here. It's my camera bag. I like to just keep it there. And I have some long necklaces. My long sleeves are right here, and it turns into short sleeves and then rompers and play suits back here. Yes. And then up here I try and fit all of my sneakers. A few of them overflowed into the other room, but this is most of them. And then heels and just kind of more extra heels, I would say. And then right down here are all my kind of lighter to medium heavy outerwear. Oh, and also on the end here, I have sets. So like things that have matching pants, and they're mostly like loungewear sets. So from there, we go to the back of the wall, which I have my scarves. Ooh, actually, these are only my favorite scarves. I'll have to show you where my other scarves are in just a second. But then I also have my favorite belts. The rest of my belts are in here. And then I have a few of my purses right here that are just kind of smaller. Oh, and then I almost forgot I have some extra shoe storage underneath here for like open toe heels and wedges. So that is all of these. And then I'm gonna show you the other scarves because I forgot. So it's down here with my leggings, my huge thing of scarves. All right, so here is the rest of my scarves. Yeah. Yep, I think I need to get rid of some of these. But I have a lot of scarves that I really love. And this is a big container. Guys, I think I need to go through these as we leave fall soon. But yeah, that is the rest of my scarves. Oh, and I also have a few of my favorite bags back here. So I have like my bag from Aldo. That is like one of my favorite pink bags ever. I'm in love with this. And then like my ruffle one and the black Chanel one here. So I have a few bags back there as well. All right, so now we are leaving my room and we're going into this room where I have more shoes and flats that I have in here, as well as like my Sorel boots that I take up skiing, and extra furniture that I'm saving for my next house. It obviously doesn't fit in my very, very small room that I have right now. And then over here, I just have things like gym shorts, gym stuff, and corset belts. And then shorts in this drawer, which I haven't seen or used for a while since it's been fall and winter. And then more shorts. These are like denim and black and white. And then in here, I have my like warm gloves and hats and winter stuff. Also in this drawer, I have some like kind of vacation-y like flower headbands and hats. And then I have some purses and backpacks and such up here. There's one up there too. Okay, so yes, I have a second closet. This used to be my sister's room, but I have taken over. So I have all of my skirts right here, and then my dresses. I have really big, furry, and chunky coats, as well as I have some more coats back here. And then I have purses right there. And then in here I kind of have like my little boots shop, kind of. So I have all of my boots all along the walls. And then underneath down here, I have my thigh-high boots. I have quite a few of these actually. It's surprising how many I managed to collect. So I have pretty much 3 levels of thigh-high boots going on here. And then I have a few extra boots right there. This is just kind of travel stuff right here, and then like an extra pink blanket that I'm gonna use whenever I move out. I've already started like collecting things for my house. And yeah, that is pretty much all that is in this closet. Going back out here, I have kind of my high heel shelf, which has mostly pointed heels on it, and there's a little bit of room here for improvement or growing. And then over here I have some more shorter heels that I keep right here. And then down here I have my knee-high boots, and these ones are from Michael Kors and they are my favorites. And that is pretty much it for this room. Okay, so there's one more place where I keep my clothes, and this is where it is in relation to my room. And I have my pants and jeans in here. So you can see, pants and jeans. And then in here, I have my baseball caps. I really, really like baseball caps. And then I have a Michael Kors purse that I really like. It's kind of more of like a casual hobo purse though, so keep it in here. And then I have another bag, some slippers, and then I have kind of zip-ups and stuff in here. Those are like my pink ones. I have hoodies in here, lots of hoodies. And then I have all of my black colored zip-ups and hoodies in here. You probably can't see it too well because it's kind of dark. And then that is pretty much it for all of my closet items, I think. I've opened all of the nooks and crannies where I keep all my clothes and purses and accessories. Alright, so that is it for my updated room and closet tour. I know the space is obviously kind of tight, and I'm very excited for whenever I do move out and expand my closet into one big closet. But I feel like I've done pretty well with organizing things to make sense with what I've got right now. Also, let me know about what you think with my wall color and if I should keep it pink or paint it a super duper light gray. I'm very torn on the subject matter, so please help. Also soon I think I'm going to be doing a video on my full nude pink matte lip collection, because I have a ton and I thought it'd be kind of a fun video because I don't really do makeup stuff that often, but I have a pretty big collection, so I thought it might be helpful for people looking for a nude pink lipstick. So yes, let me know if you have any other video suggestions as well. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. Love you guys, and I will see you next time.